This sun salutation will take you to the next level. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to look at a retro sun salutation. The sun salutation your grandma used to do. Come to the front part of your mat and bring your ankles under your hips. Sun salutation in Sanskrit is Surya Namaskara. Surya meaning sun, Namaskar meaning salutation. Ankles under the hips, relax your shoulders, relax your arms. Take a deep breath in and sigh out through your mouth. This is a follow along, and the first round we're going to do slow to warm up. Inhale, arms up, stretch to the sky, and exhale, pivot at your hips and come into a forward fold with the head down. As you exhale, bend your knees, place the hands under the shoulders if you can't reach, and take the right leg as far back as you can. And place the right knee on the floor and tuck the back toes and press your pelvis down to the floor. This foot must be in between the hands. Don't let the foot be back here, okay? So we want the foot in front with the hands. And the knees on the inside, not on the outside. And we look straight ahead. If you can't reach the floor, feel free to have your hands on the leg and we hold it. From here, we're going to go into down dog. So tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and we take the left leg back into down dog. So the left leg was in the front and we press the chest to the knees and the tailbone is out, heels down to the floor. We're going to go into 8-pointed salute. So engage your core, elbows close to the body for strong arms. Lift the head and exhale. Bring the knees, chest and chin at the same time. If it's too strong, first bring the knees down. And knees, chest and chin to the floor. And exhale. Come flat. And we come into cobra. If it's too strong, you can do baby cobra with the elbows under the shoulders. Otherwise, full cobra. If you're not warmed up yet, have the hands far away. Otherwise, if you're warmed up, have the hands under the shoulders. But first, you use your back muscles to come up. And then when you can't anymore, only then you press into the arms. Shoulders are not up, shoulders are down. And we hold it. Just breathe normally when you hold a pose. And exhale when you come down, come slowly down with the head last. Slide your hands next to the rib cage, tuck the toes. We're going to push up into down dog. If it's too strong with the toes, press into the knees. But watch your lower back. You have to engage your core and come up into down dog. And when you're ready, exhale, bring the left foot forward in between the hands, back knee down, and tuck the back toes. Press the pelvis forward to the floor, look straight ahead or up. If your neck hurts, just look down to the floor. And we hold it. We're stretching into the groin area, equestrian. And we're going to bring the back foot forward, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee and step forward with the back foot. Once your feet are in the front, straighten the legs and we back into forward fold. And inhale, bring your arms next to the ears, use your core, not your back, and bring it all up together. Hands together, exhale back into Namaste. So for the newbies, you saw we step back with the right foot to the back in the beginning, the left foot was in the front, and when we came back, the left foot was in the front again. So the left was leading all the time. That means we've done the left side. So this was half a sun salutation. Now we're going to do the other side. When we've completed the right side, it will be a full sun salutation. Okay, let's do the other side. And inhale, stretch up. Exhale, forward fold. Again, we're going to hold it. And exhale, we're going to take the left foot this time as far back as you can, equestrian. So the right foot is leading, press the pelvis down. And we look straight ahead or even up. Inhale, and as you exhale, we're going to go into down dog. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, take the right leg back into down dog. Tailbone out. And as you exhale, remember we exhale and hold the breath out when we do 8-pointed salute. So exhale, knees, chest and chin, lift the head, elbows close to the body, control it, hold your breath out here. And then when you're ready to inhale, only then you slide and come into cobra. Keep the perineum on the floor. Okay, so we're not here. This is down on the floor. Shoulders are not up, but down. And exhale, come down one vertebra at a time with the head last. Slide the hands next to the ribs and back into down dog. And exhale, remember it's the right leg we're busy with. Exhale, bring the right foot forward in between the hands, back knee down and tuck the back toes. Push the pelvis forward. And we're back into equestrian. And exhale, tuck the back toes, lift the back knees, step forward, and we're in forward fold. And inhale, arms next to the head, and we come up, hands together, and exhale back into Namaste. So I like to do the first round slow to warm the body up. And now we're going to do it one breath at a time. The first round I will do a little bit slower so you new guys can follow along. So let's go. And inhale, up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale and forward fold. Exhale, take right leg back into equestrian. Inhale in equestrian, and as you exhale, go back into down dog. Inhale and down dog. As you exhale, 8-pointed salute, holding the breath out. When you're ready to inhale, slide into cobra. And take a breath here. And when you're ready to exhale, come down, slide the hands next to the ribs. And inhale and exhale, we go into down dog. Inhale and down dog. Exhale, bring the left foot forward. Equestrian on the left. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring the right foot forward. Forward fold. Inhale and bring the arms up. Hands together and exhale. Bring the hands down. So in the beginning, the breathing is going to be a bit much. So maybe don't focus too much on the breathing and just get into the rhythm of things. Especially when you get tired, the breathing goes out of the window. Okay. And other side. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale. Exhale, take the left leg back into equestrian. Inhale. Exhale, take the right leg back into down dog. Inhale. Exhale into 8-pointed salute. Inhale, come into cobra. Exhale, come down into down dog. Inhale and down dog. Exhale, bring the right foot forward. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring the left foot forward. And inhale, bring the arms up. And exhale, bring the hands down. Now you can tune it up. You can maybe take 2 breaths in equestrian if you want if you want to take a break there. Or maybe in forward fold, you want to take 2 breaks and the rest of the sequence 1 breath. So you can adjust it to what suits you that day. Okay, so we've done 1 round slow, and then we've done 1 round with 1 breath. Now, we're going to continue. Now, I'm not going to make an hour of doing this, but you're supposed to continue. So I think we're going to do 2 more rounds together, and then I will give you a tip, okay, at the end of the video. So let's go. 2 more rounds. I'm not going to speak too much, and let's go. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Equestrian, left foot in the front. Down dog, exhale. Inhale, exhale to 8-pointed salute. Slide, cobra, down, down dog. Left foot forward, equestrian. Right foot forward, forward fold. Up, hands together. Other side, up, forward fold. Left leg back, equestrian. Right foot back, down dog. 8-point salute. Slide, cobra or baby cobra. Down, down dog. Right foot forward, equestrian. Left foot forward, forward fold. Up. 1 more. Up, forward fold. Right foot back, equestrian. Left foot back, down dog. 8-point salute. Slide, cobra, down, down dog. Left foot forward, equestrian. Right foot forward, forward fold. Up, hands together. Other side, forward fold. Left foot to the back. Right foot in the front, equestrian. Down dog. 8-point. Slide, cobra, down, down dog. Right foot forward, equestrian. Left foot forward, forward fold. Up, hands together. Take the thumbs, press them on the sternum. Ankles under the hips. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Focus on your breath and your heartbeat. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and sigh it out through the mouth. Release your arms, Slowly open your eyes and let's sit down. I'm going to give you a tip of the day. So this sun salutation will take you to a new level. Now, we've only done it, I don't know how long was this, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. I will go and check. So if you want to up your fitness, and runners, listen up. I thought I'm fit running. Do this, the fast version. So you obviously warm up, always warm up, do the first round slow like we did, and then the rest you do for 30 minutes with no stopping. You just keep going, keep going, keep going. It's about 30 sun salutations, give and take, 28, 30 sun salutations all together. And then leave a comment in the comment section after that, and I would love to hear your experience of doing it for half an hour. And if you get good at doing it for half an hour, aim for 45 minutes and then for an hour, and let me know what happens to your body when you do that. It's so good for your heart rate, for your breathing. And then when you get really good at it, try to really focus on the breath and don't take extra breaths in between. Okay, I know you all, I could see you all took extra breaths. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this retro sun salutation. This is old school sun salutations. There are many other sun salutations out there, but this is the original. And I forgot, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of content. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and know that you are loved. Ariom Tat Sat.